Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Honeydue Couples Finance App Review My Usage Experience. Honeydue Couples Finance App Review My Usage Experience offers a platform for couples to manage their shared finances. Its main purpose is to help partners track spending, set budgets, and communicate about money in a clear and organized way. Key features include shared account linking, bill splitting tools, and spending categorization. Their website provides details on additional features and pricing. Honeydue positions itself as a simple and intuitive solution for couples looking to improve their financial communication. Their website emphasizes ease of use and claims no hidden fees. They highlight the benefit of improved communication and transparency between partners, which they achieve through a user-friendly interface and collaborative features. Availability is readily checked through their website or app stores. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Honeydue. Getting started was a breeze. Setting up my account and linking my bank accounts took less than 10 minutes. The interface is incredibly intuitive. I immediately understood how to categorize transactions and view our shared spending. I particularly like the ability to set custom budget categories beyond the preset ones. The app performed flawlessly, syncing my transactions reliably throughout the day. I had a quick question about adding a joint credit card, and their support responded within a day via email, providing clear instructions. I was really impressed by how clearly Honeydue presented our spending patterns visually, making it easy to spot areas where we could save. One minor drawback was that the free plan had limitations on the number of accounts you could link. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Honeydue. It streamlined the way my partner and I manage our finances, leading to less stress and more open conversations about money. That's my overview of Honeydue Couples Finance App Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.